What's the meaning of camp bed? Camp bed. Camp bed.
Camp bed. Camp bed. A camp bed is a type of portable bed that can be easily transported and set up in outdoor environments such as camping trips or military camps. It typically features a lightweight frame made of materials like aluminum or steel, with a fabric or nylon sleeping surface stretched between the frame. Camp beds offer a more comfortable sleeping experience compared to sleeping on the ground, and can also help keep the camper warm by keeping them off the cold ground. They are popular among outdoor enthusiasts who value comfort and convenience during their adventures.